Welcome back, guys. Today we will learn about themes in Chainlit, like how to customize the theme of our chatbot, maybe from pink to blue or black or red. So how to do that? If we come here on documentation, it says Chainlit theme is based on CSS variables. To modify the CSS variables, it says under public folder you have to create theme.json file. So it is our project, and it is our public folder. Here I will create a theme.json file, and I will paste the whole code here. I will save Control S, and let's run the application and see the changes. It is our chatbot, you know that, and its theme is still pink. I have not seen any changes in the chatbot. So basically, let me stop it. It is our theme.json file, and under variables there is light and dark, and there are different key values. So if we come here, there is a primary. It is basically a color. Its value is 340, 92%, 52%. Basically it is HSL color. If I want that my theme will be blue maybe, so I need to paste that blue color here. So let me paste the code. These are the values of blue color. We will see what these are in a bit. So similarly I will change the dark here. So I will change these primary color also. Let me save Control S and rerun the application again. And let's refresh the chatbot. You see it is now blue color, but these borders are still pink. So how to handle this we will see. Let me see other things. So yes, it is changed to blue. If in your case it will not change, what you have to do, you have to click on inspect, and here you have to right click and empty cache and hard reload. It will definitely show the expected color. So we have to solve this issue, these borders. So let me stop the chatbot, and under light there is a ring here. I need to paste same values here also, 217, 91%, 60%, these same values, and also here. Let me save Control S, and let's rerun. So now you see it is changed from pink to blue. Let me see other things. Yeah, everything is fine. Yeah, there is a little bit bug here. Let me refresh. So you may notice there is still pink color. The pink color load first, and after that we overwrite it with the blue color. So how to fix it? To fix that bug we need to add a CSS file. It says Chainlit application allow for design customization through the use of custom CSS style sheet. To enable this, modify your configuration setting in chainlit config.toml. Under public folder, I will create another file, maybe custom.css, and here I will paste these codes. What it do? It force login button to use the blue color instantly. So instead of pink color, it instantly use the blue color. So let's save Control S, and one more thing I need to do. Here under Chainlit, we need to edit our config.toml file also. Custom CSS, I need to give the path of our file, that is, we know that custom.css. So yes, I will save Control S, and let's rerun the application, and let me refresh. Now you see there is no bug, and by default there is a blue color. So yes, everything is fine. One more thing I want to do, you see there is a watermark. LLM can make mistakes, check important info. So how to remove the watermark? I will simply come to my custom.css file and I will paste this code. I'm saying that display watermark is none. That's it. Let's rerun the application. And yes, the watermark is gone. Now we have to learn about what are these colors, like HSL color 217, 91% and 60%. What is HSL? Basically it is hue, saturation and lightness. 217 is hue, 91% is saturation and 60% is lightness. So what is hue? Basically it is the actual color on the color wheel. So if we change from 217 to 0, it will become red. Similarly, saturation, how intense or pure the color is. 0% means completely gray, 100% means fully vivid color, 91% means very strong vibrant blue, and 60% means it is the lightness, how light or dark the color is. 0% is black and 100% is white. So let's change our actual color hue. So from 217 to maybe 0. I will save Control S and let's run the application. Yes, I was expecting our sign in button color red, so it is red. If you want to give some custom color, maybe yellow or some other color to your chatbot, you can ask the color from ChatGPT. It will tell you what is the exact values of that yellow color maybe or black color. So yes, that's it. We'll see you in next video, guys.